of 97. Wind east at severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, Central Hall County in north-central Georgia, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Gainesville, moving southwest at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Cumming, Buford, Flowery Branch, Oakwood, Gillsville, Kendler, Coal Mountain, Aquilon Park, Chastity, Chestnut Mountain, Oscarville, and Lake Lanier Islands. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.